How to learn anything. First, define what you're aiming to learn. Then, write your questions down. From there, open a search engine, a book, an article, whatever you think may help. Open it up. If you get stuck, try asking someone for help. If they can't help, try asking someone else. Whatever it is that you find out, test it to see if it's true. It's important to record your thought process. You can do this with notes or a journal. Remember that if you fail to understand, write down a new question and try again. Your mind is a muscle, and it's okay to take a break. Make pictures. Draw to understand. Try testing yourself by teaching what you learn to someone else. And when the learning gets tough, remember this: trust the process.